Hello and welcome to Niti Tech. In this video, we will cover the brief overview of AWS Cloud Practitioner exam CLF-002. Who can take this exam? What is the exam format? What this exam will test on? Comparison of CLF-C01 and C02. AWS official resources to study for this exam. And lastly, how to schedule the exam. First of all, congratulations on starting your journey with cloud. AWS Cloud Practitioner exam is an entry-level exam for people who are just starting their career in cloud roles. This exam expects you to have brief knowledge of various services used in AWS Cloud. At least you should be able to tell which service is used for which purpose. This exam validates candidates' ability to complete the following task. You should be able to explain the value of AWS Cloud, understand and explain AWS shared responsibility model, understand the security best practices followed by AWS Cloud, understand AWS Cloud cost, economics and billing practices. You should be able to describe and position the core AWS services including compute, network, database and storage services. Identify AWS services for common use case. Now, who can take this exam? AWS expects that candidate has at least 6 months of exposure on AWS cloud services. Usually this exam is taken by IT professionals, but it is ideal for candidates from non-IT background as well. You can take this exam if you are trying to pursue a career in AWS cloud roles. The AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner validates foundational high-level understanding of AWS cloud services and terminology. This is a good starting point on AWS certification journey for individuals with no prior IT or cloud experience, switching to a cloud career or line of business employees looking for foundational cloud literacy. Now let's understand the exam format. This exam consists of 65 multiple choice, multiple answer questions. There are questions in which you need to select multiple correct answers, so read the questions carefully. You will get 90 minutes to complete this exam. So overall you have less than 2 minutes for each question. Passing score for this exam is 700 out of 1000. It is either a pass or fail exam. Marks will not be displayed on your certificate, but you will be able to access the scorecard where you can see the marks. Unanswered questions are scored as incorrect. There is no penalty for guessing. The exam includes 50 questions that affect your score, and there are 15 unscored questions that do not affect your score. This exam will cost you $100. Now let's understand what will this exam test on. This exam has the following content, domains and weightages. Domain 1 includes cloud concepts, which is 24% of the scored content. Domain 2 has security and compliance, which is 30% of the scored content. Domain 3 is based on cloud technology and services, which covers 34% of the scored content. And Domain 4, which is related to billing, price and support, which includes 12% of the scored content. For each domain, there are services you should have knowledge of in order to pass the exam. More details are mentioned in the official AWS study guide shared in the link in description. As I said, CLF-C01 is expired now and they have revised version CLF-C02. You can see there is not much difference in both the exams. Few new applications are added and nothing is removed. There are some changes in the weightages of the domains. Here are some official learning material which will help you pass this exam. Links are shared in the video description. Now, once you are ready and confident to appear for exam, you can schedule it from the official website as below for in-person or online exam on the dates available. You will receive an email confirmation for the same. All the best for your exam. In the upcoming videos, we will cover the exam questions and their answers with explanation. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.